and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a wear test for a foundation that I reviewed a while ago. Today I'm going to be wearing the Morphe Fluidity foundation to work. You can't really tell, because you can't see my whole body, but anyway, I'm on my way to work. I have on this foundation, and I figured it would be fun to do a wear test to see exactly how long lasting is this foundation. So in the beginning of the voiceover, I show you exactly what time I start putting on the makeup itself and the foundation, and right now it is 6:27, so I really need to hurry up and rush out the door so I can get to work by 7 o'clock. So I will check in with you guys kind of throughout the day as I'm able to. That's how we looking now, nice and fresh, and I'll see you at our next check-in.
Okay guys, it is 5:57 a.m. and it is time to put the face on. Normally I am doing this a little earlier, but I was unfortunately running a smidge behind today. So I'm going through this video pretty quick, or as far as this tutorial goes, because I have a separate video explaining exactly how I do my base for work. So just to make it quick, I did just prime my skin using the normal primers that I always use. I use a mattifying and a pore filling one, and now I'm going in with the Morphe Fluidity foundation. So like I said in the intro, this is going to be the one that we are doing a wear test on today, and I was pretty excited to see exactly how it would hold up under the bright lights of, you know, my camera later on in the evening, to see how it looks from now to like 14 hours later, or whatever it ends up being. So the concealer that I'm using this day was the ColourPop one. If you guys watched my March favorites video, then you've already heard me talk about it, so I won't go too much into detail. If you want to know more about it, go watch that video. And I'm just going to buff that into the skin as well, and then set everything in place like I normally do with my Coty Airspun powder. I just buff it all in. This is kind of the key to everything, buffing in this powder. And then I'm going to be using the Hourglass translucent powder to set underneath of my eyes. So the lights are pretty bright. It's kind of dulling down the fact that I do get a lot of brightness underneath my eyes with that powder. Now I'm just setting everything one last time with the powder foundation. And that is the base. Okay, so here's check-in number 1 of the day. Granted, it's a little bit later than what I wanted it to be, but like I said, I'm working today. So it's around 1:45-ish, and this is kind of what we're looking like. Oh boy. Bathroom lighting is not the best. Nope, nowhere I go is good. So this is kind of what it looks like. In person, it's a little less crazy, but we're still hanging on. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, hopefully. Okay, so we are checking in again. It is 4:15. This is what I'm looking like right now. I went to a little bit different lighting. I'm a little bit shiny. I haven't touched up whatsoever, but oh boy. I still feel like we're holding on pretty strong. So this is gonna be my last check-in while I'm here at work. So whenever I get home, I will be under my bright lights, and then we can kind of look at everything in detail and see exactly how this foundation held up throughout the day.
It is 8:27. I'm finally home. Here we are. Face as is. I did not touch up one time. I didn't blot. I did nothing to my foundation, into my skin throughout the entire day while I was at work. I feel like it shows how exhausting my day was on my face. So I can't wait to scrub this off. But before I do, I wanted to make sure I came on here, kind of let you guys get a good look of everything. The only places that it kind of has worn off a good bit is, let me get real close, up close and personal, and I gotta look at my monitor to see where I'm at. Here has kind of worn off a little bit, and on my chin here has kind of worn off some as well. Other than that, like, it does not look bad. There really isn't any exponential amount of creasing or cracking in the foundation or anything like that. So I think despite all the hate that this foundation got, I really like it. I liked it the first time that I reviewed it, and the more that I've worn it, especially wearing it to work. This is my wear test, the extreme wear test of this Morphe Fluidity foundation, and it is definitely a great one. So if you are somebody who wears your makeup for an extremely long period of time like I do, maybe check it out. I think the fight to get your right color is worth it. So that's it. I'm ready to end my day, take this makeup off because I have to turn around and do it all again tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning into this one, guys. I really appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell right next to it so you get notified every single time that I upload. Be sure to follow my Instagram because my information and my name will be running across the bottom of the screen. And that is that. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.